Hello beautiful world. I'm going to skip all the intro and just move into the video. So if you want to buy Dogecoin, Kraken is definitely the place to do it, as I said in my last video. However, today has been the second time in about 2 days that Kraken has crashed due to the large volume of people trying to get onto Kraken, trying to get Dogecoin for purchase. Now, as I can see, Dogecoin is currently at 3 cents, holding firmly above 3 cents. I'll show the charts in a bit. And I'd like to say I hope it goes up. Myself, along with a lot of people and people in my family who I have influenced, have invested in Dogecoin. So we are waiting a bit impatiently to see some move. And I'm going to be honest, I really would not want to see Dogecoin make the move right now, because I don't think I have purchased enough Dogecoin for it to make that move. So I'm going to wait until I wanted to wait until like middle to the end of February, when I can put a lot more money in it and just hold it and wait. I'm also going to diversify into a few more cryptos. I do have Bitcoin, I have Ethereum, I have XRP, though my XRP is in Coinbase, but I'm going to transfer. If we're able to transfer it, then I will. At this point, XRP is going through I think it's a legal issue, some legal issue XRP is going through, and I am unable to trade for more XRP on Coinbase, and I am unable to send it out. The good thing about XRP and Coinbase is that we were supposed to get something called Spark, because we were holding XRP in Coinbase. So if everything works out for XRP and I'm able to get Spark as well, then I'll make a video on that. So I do have these three: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. I do have Dogecoin making 4. So as I said before, Kraken is a great place to purchase XRP and your other cryptocurrencies. Only issue is due to the volume now, because of the hype of Dogecoin. They've been having issues, keeping their website up. So moving on, this is a short I took on Dogecoin. Yes, I know nobody's supposed to be shorting Dogecoin, but I had to take this trade. Was free / easy money. As you can see here, as it broke above, it was heavily rejected. So it broke above the 4 cent price range here. This was when the hype was heavy. Big rejection, and then a big bullish move. Now after the bullish move, even though it closed like normally how I trade, I would wait for another confirmation. So the next candle or the next 2 candles, I would watch and wait for them. So it closed above, which is showing bullish momentum. But if the next candle was heavy bearish, then I probably would have waited or got into a sell, because that shows heavy rejection. But other 3 candles, and I'm using the 45-minute time frame here, the other 3 candles showed heavy selling pressure. So it went above 4 cents, but heavy selling pressure brought it below 4 cents, which is showing a major support / resistance line, major price range right here, 4 cents. So I was watching for a bit. So each time it broke, so it broke down here, made a pullback, and continued down. Stopped at this area, which is the 3 cent in the 3 cent price range, so 0.3035, and then made a move back up. So I decided to go in on a short here. When after you could see the momentum was down, low volume right here, and then close bearish, and then close below support, close below resistance, bearish. So I got in here at the 0.039 area price range, got in for a sale. I put my stop loss at the top of these 3 weeks right here, and I just let it run, and it did run. This is the range which I saw as a major price range that price would stop, and this is right teetering on the edge of 3 and 2 cent price range. and as you can see, price went all the way down to 2 cents. Alright, but then was rejected. So my take profit was at this price area, right under 3 cent price range. Since I took profit, got out the trade, since then I've just been watching. As you can see, it has heavily respected the 3 cent price range. So at this point, I am just waiting to see what is going on. To be honest, I've recorded this video about 3 times, and if I was watching the charts, I probably would have been in on this trade, because I did see this as a double bottom, and I saw this as the area to break, and I was actually watching it when it broke the area with this bullish candle. But I was thinking, alright, let me just make a video, and in me making the video, this bullish candlestick was formed. So I probably would have gotten in somewhere around here. Not crazy profits, but I probably would have gotten in somewhere around here and would have been in profits. And I probably would have taken it to break even and let it run out and see, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna cut it here. As I said before, I am not a financial analyst. I just trade for now from my home, hoping to be a full-time trader sometime in the future. But I do, as I can see, while it's pushing up, price is raising right now. Volume is being pushed into the market. So I'm just going to, after the end of the video, I'm just going to go over to Kraken to see how much my amount of Dogecoin is worth right now. Possibly purchase some more. Well, I won't. I'll wait for the pullback, because it makes no sense to buy high and it fall back and then you're seeing less in your thing. So I'm just going to probably wait for a pullback to this level right here. So it's going to push. If it closes above it, let me. Alright, so if it closes above it, so I'll be looking out for it. If it closes above it, we can look for a pullback to this area. So it will push up. So it will push up. Sorry about that. And retest the area, and then continue on the move. So this is what I am hoping for. So if that's the case, then I could have. If that's the case, then I would probably get into a trade right there. Why won't this thing work with me today? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, see that? So selling pressure is still high, and I would bring this to about here. So this is what I am looking for. This is what I am looking for. So if it does push up, close above, then pull another bullish candle, then a bearish to retest the area, another candle for confirmation to close above this price range, I would get into the trade somewhere around this region, get in for a long trade and to see how far it will take me. Once it reaches about halfway or so, I just bring my stop loss to break even, so that I don't lose any money, and just watch the trade progress. So that's how I would do it. So thanks for watching, guys.